Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. I hope you watched my previous videos and subscribed my channel. If not, so please subscribe now. So let's start. Today I will show you top 5 fast car in the world, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Number 5 is SSC Ultimate Aero. Speed is 256 miles per hour. This car is a mid-engine sports car that was produced by SSC North America from 2006 until 2013. The SSC Ultimate Aero held the title of the fastest production car in the world, according to the Guinness World Records, from 2007, when it was officially timed at 256.14 miles per hour. However, in April 2013, the Guinness World Records temporarily disqualified the Veyron's record time for a period of 5 days, due to concerns about electronic speed limiting changing the function of the car. The SSC Ultimate Aero was not sold with electronic driver aids such as anti-lock brakes or traction control, as according to Jared Shelby, early design philosophy on the car was to make it a driver's car. Next, number 4 is 9FF GT9R. Speed is 257 miles per hour. This car is a sports car based loosely on the Porsche 911, built by German tuning company 9FF, founded by Jan Pfaff-Ayer. The 9FF GT9 was replaced by the GT9R, offering up to 1,120 bhp, 840 kilowatts, 1,140 PS. It was designed to take the speed record for a street-legal car, with a claimed speed of 420 km per hour. It does 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds. As with the original GT9, only a limited number of GT9Rs were produced and only 20 with the most potent engine. 9FF stated that only 150 GT9s would be produced, and only 20 of those would have the most powerful engine. Prices ranged between £150,000 and £540,000 depending on engine and options, with all of them already sold. Next, number 3 is Bugatti Veyron Supersport. Speed is 268 miles per hour. The Bugatti Veyron F 16.4 is a mid-engine sports car, designed and developed in Germany by the Volkswagen Group and manufactured in Molsheim, France, by Bugatti Automobiles S.A.S. The original version has a top speed of 407 km per hour. It was named Car of the Decade and Best Car Award 2000 to 2009, by the BBC television programme Top Gear. The standard Bugatti Veyron also won Top Gear's Best Car Driven All Year award in 2005. The super sport version of the Veyron is recognized by Guinness World Records as the fastest street-legal production car in the world, with the top speed of 431.072 km per hour, and the Roadster Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse version is the fastest roadster in the world, reaching an average top speed of 408.84 km per hour in a test on April 6, 2013. Next, number 2 is Hennessey Venom Gt. Speed is 270 miles per hour. This car is a high-performance sports car manufactured by Texas-based Hennessey Performance Engineering. The Venom is a heavily modified version of the British sports car, the Lotus Exige. On January 21, 2013, the Venom GT set a Guinness World Record for the fastest production car from 0 to 186 miles per hour with an average acceleration time of 13.63 seconds. In addition, the car set an unofficial record for a 0 to 322 km per hour acceleration at 14.51 seconds. Beating the Koenigsegg R's time of 17.68 seconds, making it the unofficial fastest accelerating production car in the world. Finally, number 1 world top fast car is Koenigsegg R. Speed is 273 miles per hour. This car is a mid-engine sports car produced by Swedish car manufacturer Koenigsegg since 2011. Although Koenigsegg isn't a household name in the world of supercars, like Bugatti or 9 Ferrari, The Adra-R model is a perfect example of the brand's might and power that blows all other supercars in the storm with a top speed of over 273 miles per hour, faster than any other supercar you will find on the market today. The car comes with the 5-liter turbocharged V8 DOC engine with a compression ratio of 9.0:1 and is capable of generating an impressive 1,200 pound-feet of torque and horsepower of 1,140, hence enabling the vehicle to zoom from halt to 60 miles per hour within less than 2.5 seconds and reach speeds from 0 to 186 miles per hour within 11.7 seconds. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please click like button. If you have any comments, please comments below. And if you like to get more upcoming exciting videos this channel, please click subscribe button now. So thanks for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.